Hello there everyone, FW Doji here. I'm at Sydney Airport today and you can see three Rex plane, a Rex plane and two Virgin Australia. You can also see a Jetstar. So this Rex plane is a Boeing 737 and this Jetstar plane that is about to take off is an A321, and there's some also Jetstar planes over there. Over there in the distance there's an Etihad, a British Airways and a Hawaiian Airlines. There's a Qantas plane right there and another Qantas. And there's a Jetstar plane like way over there. It's so far. You can see some like planes over here. This airport is so cool. They're advertising binge. Yeah. There was an airport bus there. Okay, what?